Question number 1. Which ion causes rapid depolarization in a neuron? Correct option is B. Sodium. Question number 2. Which organ stores excess glucose as glycogen? Correct option is A. Liver. Question number 3. Which giant allows the widest range of movement? Correct option is D. Ball and socket. Question number 4. Which artery mainly supplies the brain? Correct option is D. Internal carotid artery. Question number 5. Which hormone regulates the sleep-wake cycle? Correct option is C. Melatonin. Question number 6. Which vitamin is required for calcium absorption? Correct option is A. Vitamin D. Question number 7. Which cell release histamine during inflammation? Correct option is A. Basophils. Question number 8. Which heart layer is responsible for contraction? Correct option is C. Myocardium. Question number 9. Which of the following gland controls metabolism? Correct option is A. Thyroid gland. Question number 10. Which neurofibers carry slow chronic pain? Correct option is D. C. Fibers. Question number 11. Which part of the nephron concentrate urine? Correct option is C. Lobe of Henle. Question number 12. Which brain part maintains posture and balance? Correct option is D. Cerebellum. Question number 13. Which complication occurs due to prolonged labor? Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 14. Which feeding method prevents nipple confusion? Correct option is D. Spoon feeding. Question number 15. What is the main cause of diarrhea in children? Correct option is A. Virus. Question number 16. Which sign indicates respiratory distress in newborn? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 17. Which condition is called pregnancy-induced hypertension? Correct option is B. Preeclampsia. Question number 18. When should post-antenatal mother start exercise? Correct option is B. After 24 hours. Question number 19. Which part of fetus present first in normal delivery? Correct option is D. Vertex. Question number 20. What is the normal blood loss in vaginal delivery? Correct option is C, 500 milliliter. Question number 21. Which age is most vulnerable for malnutrition? Correct option is C, 1 up to 3 years. Question number 22. Which condition causes hypoglycemia in newborns? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 23. What is the main cause of maternal mortality? Correct option is B, hemorrhage. Question number 24. What is the most common cause of obstructed labor? Correct option is C, contracted pelvis. Question number 25. Which delivery is safest for mother and baby? Correct option is D, normal vaginal delivery. Question number 26. Which vitamin injection is given at birth? Correct option is D, vitamin K. Question number 27. Which anemia is associated with folic acid deficiency? Correct option is C, megaloblastic anemia. Question number 28. Which vitamin excess causes tetragenicity? Correct option is A, vitamin A. Question number 29. Which drug is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct option is C, tetracycline. Question number 30. What is the normal sleep duration of newborns per day? Correct option is D, 18 to 20 hours. Question number 31. Which reflex indicate neurological integrity in newborn? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 32. Which micronutrient is given biannually to children? Correct option is C, vitamin A. Question number 33. What is the normal length of puriform? Correct option is A, 6 weeks. Question number 34. What is the second dose of TT given in pregnancy? Correct option is C, after 4 weeks. Question number 35. Which position improves uroplacental circulation? Correct option is C, left lateral. Question number 36. What is the earliest sign of urethral infection? Correct option is A, fever. Question number 37. What is the normal involution rate of uterus per day? Correct option is B, 1 centimeter. Question number 38. What is the minimum birth weight of term baby? Correct option is C, 2.5 kilogram. Question number 39. Which score assesses newborn's adaptation? Correct option is B, Apgar score. Question number 40. What is the acceptable weight loss in newborn? Correct option is B, 5 to 7%. Question number 41. What is the normal capillary repel time in newborn? Correct option is B, less than 2 seconds. Question number 42. Which disease is prevented by exclusive breastfeeding? Correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 43. Which level of prevention does immunization belong to? Correct option is a primary level of prevention. Question number 41. Which drug is used to control seizures in eclampsia? Correct option is D, magnesium sulfate. Question number 42. What is the primary aim of primary health care? Correct option is C, health for all. Question number 43. What is the most reliable indicator of pain? Correct option is D, patient's self-report. Question number 44. Which drug is the antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is B, naloxone. Question number 45. Why should potassium not be given IV push? Correct option is C, risk of cardiac arrest. Question number 46. Which stage of labor involves delivery of placenta? Correct option is A, third stage. Question number 47. Which sign indicates severe dehydration in children? Correct option is B, lethargy. Question number 48. Which vitamin deficiency causes bleeding tendency? Correct option is C, vitamin K. Question number 49. Which level of prevention includes early diagnosis? Correct option is B, secondary. Question number 50. Which quality ensures safe nursing practice? Correct option is C, competence. Question number 51. Where does female sexual desire originate hormonally? Correct option is A, androgens. Question number 52. Where does female gametogenesis stop permanently? Correct option is C, at menopause. Question number 53. Where does female reproductive tract open externally? Correct option is C, vestibule. Question number 55. Which vaccine protects against liver cancer indirectly? Correct option is B, hepatitis B vaccine. Question number 56. How long does passive immunity last? Correct option is C, short duration. Question number 57. What happens if a child misses one vaccine dose? Correct option is C. Continue schedule. Question number 58. What is the commonest cause of vaccine failure? Correct option is D. Cold chain failure. Question number 59. What vaccine is used to prevent diphtheria? Correct option is C. DPT vaccine. Question number 60. What is the main antigen used in hepatitis B vaccine? Correct option is C. Surface antigen. Question number 61. Which antibody provide long-term protection? Correct option is A. IgG. Question number 62. Which vaccine is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct option is C. Live vaccine. Question number 63. Why oral polio vaccine is prepared in mass campaign? Correct option is D. Because it is cheap and easy. Question number 64. What is the main reason for giving birth dose vaccine? Correct option is B. Early protection. Question number 65. What type of immunity is provided by maternal antibodies? Correct option is C. Passive immunity. Question number 66. What is the first response after vaccination called? Correct option is C. Primary response. Question number 67. What vaccine mainly prevents severe childhood pneumonia? Correct option is B. PCV vaccine. Question number 68. Which vaccine should be protected from light? Correct option is C. BCG vaccine. Question number 69. Which vaccine is given in enterolateral tie? Correct option is B. Pentavalent vaccine. Question number 70. Which vaccine prevents neonatal tetanus? Correct option is D. TT vaccine and mother. Question number 71. Which hormone causes uterine contraction? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 72. Which energy transfer causes heat loss in cold wind? Correct option is B. Convection. Question number 73. Which principle explain sweating cooling the body? Correct option is C. Evaporation. Question number 74. Which law explain air pressure volume relationship in lungs? Correct option is B. Biles law. Question number 75. Which factor reduce radiation exposure? Correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 76. Which vitamin helps calcium absorption? Correct option is D. Vitamin D. Question number 77. Which condition causes jaundice with dark urine? Correct option is a hepatitis. Question number 78. Which drug is antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is B. Nalazone. Question number 79. Which condition causes bulging fontanelles in infant? Correct option is B. Increased intracranial pressure. Question number 80. Why is AC inhibitor avoided in pregnancy? Correct option is A. Causes fetal renal damage.
Question number 81. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? Correct option is C. 37 degrees centigrade. Question number 82. Hand washing is most effective method to prevent. Correct option is B. Infection. Question number 83. Which pulse site is used during CPR in adults? Correct option is C. Carotid pulse. Question number 84. Which artery is used to measure pulse in infants? Correct option is B. Brachial artery. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 86. Which method is most effective for sterilization? Correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 87. Which nutrient provides the most energy per gram? Correct option is C. Fat. Question number 88. Which hormone stimulates uterine contraction during labor? Correct option is B. Oxytocin. Question number 89. Which disease is caused by deficiency of iodine? Correct option is A. Goiter. Question number 90. Which blood cells are responsible for immunity? Correct option is B. White blood cells. Question number 91. Which hormone prepares breast for lactation? Correct option is C. Prolactin. Question number 92. Which stage of labor begins with full cervical dilation? Correct option is B. Second stage. Question number 93. Which disease causes slap-cheeked rash? Correct option is C. Pepth disease. Question number 94. Which vitamin deficiency causes rickets in children? Correct option is C. Vitamin D. Question number 95. Which diagnostic test evaluates heart electrical activity? Correct option is A. ECG. Question number 96. Which drug is used as antidote for opioid overdose? Correct option is A. Naloxone. Question number 97. Which level of prevention focuses on early disease detection? Correct option is B. Secondary. Question number 98. Which technique prevents infection during procedures? Correct option is A. Aseptic techniques. Question number 99. Which test is used to assess kidney function? Correct option is D. Serum creatinine. Question number 100. Which disease causes inflammation of joints? Correct option is A. Arthritis.